This robot can send up to 60 miles per hour, also moves up to 5 meters per second, and it's super important, this that I'm gonna say, because this in the end can give you all the statistics you need to improve your tennis, all the details as you can see here in the screenshot. So I think it's a really important tool for you as a tennis player. This is not just a ball machine, it's a tennis robot that can play with you, can rally anytime. And as you can see, you can just keep doing rallies with the machine, and the machine will always catch the balls. This is amazing. It's one of the best advantages of this machine, and it's super convenient because you don't need to always pick up balls to play. I almost was killed. Of course, I need to start with this feature first, because you can just walk into the court. You don't need to carry this machine, and this for me is one of the biggest advantages, because I always like to do the warm-up now that I'm getting older. I like to do the warm-up before my practice, and like that you don't need to carry, so you don't force your muscles, and you can just walk comfortably, and then you can use your machine. As you can see, for example, let's say we want to put the machine in the middle of the court on the baseline. You can just press here, and the machine goes alone. Super easy, super convenient. And then the machine, the wheels can move to any side, as you can see. Yeah, and it's in the middle, then the machine will adjust. And also this machine can move up to 5 meters per second, which is amazing, and is super fast. Also, it's gonna catch every single ball you play. I mean, not every single ball, but almost every ball, and you will see. So now I'm gonna test this with mini tennis. I always like to play mini tennis before my practice, and as I like to work on my back, and now I wanna get more the feeling, I will select just mini tennis rallies with this machine. And basically, I want to say again, this is not just a ball machine, it's a tennis robot that can play with you, can rally anytime. And as you can see, this is going to be super helpful. So let's go. Let's test the mini tennis now. And as you can see, I didn't warm up, so I'm just hitting the first balls of the day today. Yeah. Yeah, and I like to work this feeling so I can be here for as long as I want. And now some forehands. And I can even test some volleys here. Yeah. Now I'm gonna do some rallies with the machine from the baseline. The robot can send the balls up to 60 miles per hour, but now, of course, we're gonna just warm up, just gonna try to play with the machine. The machine will always send the ball to me, and you can see from the baseline, cross court, and I'll show you with different angles. Let's go. As you can see, it's super fun to play with. Even in a windy day like today, you can rally with the machine. It's super convenient. I want to do also some backhands, so here, yeah. Now it's my fault. Here. Now we're gonna do some rallies cross court. Let's see how this works. This is super fun. As you can see, I can really rally with the machine. This is a really good warm-up, or you can just accelerate a little bit more. Of course, it's not going to catch every single ball, but the majority of balls, as you can see, are inside of the machine. And now, let's test now some backhands. And also, I don't know if I already mentioned, but the machine, the robot can send you balls with underspin, with topspin, and flat balls. Oh la la. Okay, just a few more balls because my backhand is not good for now. Ah. Yeah, now it was better. As you can see, you can rally with this robot. Of course, my backhand was not good in the beginning. I need to warm up more, but I think you understand the idea. It's really convenient and you can really do a good warm up and use some time just to pick up some balls and restart again the rally. So basically now just to finish the rallies option, and then I'm going to use as a ball machine just for you to see how this works. I'm going to use one of my favorite rallies here, that is to handle topspin balls, and it's basically going to feed balls to the forehand and to the backhand, and it's going to be super fun. I enjoy this drill, so let's go and join me to watch this. Let's go. Oh. Eh. With this you can work a little bit more on your footwork. You can just move to the sides, get ready for the next drills, or even if you have a partner to play after, it's really good warm-up. Now I'm going to use this as a ball machine, so I don't need to do the rallies with the machine. The machine or the robot just going to give me or send the balls to me. I'm going to work on my forehands and then I'm going to do some volleys for you to see. Let's go. Here you can adjust the height, the speed, and anything you want in the app. Is super easy, as you can see here in the screenshot. I just started with a normal way, and for me it's fine. If you are more warmed, you can just put more topspin and more speed, in my opinion. And if you want a little bit more height, because balls are deeper, and you can have a little bit more of challenge. Let's go. Let's test now some volleys. As you see, you never know when the ball is coming because you cannot see the contact point of your player. So really focus. You really need to be focused to try to understand where you get the ball. Let's go. Try to see. I like to work short and cross volleys, but you need to be closer to the net or down the line like this. Or even drop shots. Let me try now. Drop shots. One more. This is fun. So basically this is one of my favorite exercises. That's why I also wait or to show you this in the end of this video. This machine is suitable for any level, from beginners to advanced players. You can always adapt to have your normal practice with the machine. The back three can last up to 3 hours, which is amazing because you can have a really normal practice and enjoy, have fun. And also this machine is compatible with the iPhone and iOS and also Android, so you can just use with any phone. This is super easy, super convenient, and now I'm going to show you closer. So basically, as you can see, this machine is really good. I had lots of fun with this machine. I can totally recommend this machine. I'm going to show you from closer here. Super fun, and also the view is nice, a little bit more. And even to start, it's just super simple. First, because you can use the app to do everything, and then to start, you can just start it here. And also you can check the battery level. For example, I'm using, and as you can see, I still can use 88% of this machine. So it's super fun, super convenient. And yeah, if you have any questions, drop here in the comments. I'll try to help you. I'm gonna say again, I really enjoy, and I almost forgot, these are the cameras of this machine, and you can record yourself. It can capture yourself up to 4K. I mean 4K camera, so it's really good, and it's amazing to have this option. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, don't forget to comment here in the section below. And for now, bye for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.